This is T for Teddy. Oh, what's this? T. Okay, I got this one. Okay, T for Teddy. Oh, let's cut this one slowly. Okay, teacher will put the. We go this one. Cut. We go. One more. Okay, done. And this one. Let's cut this one. Go. Okay, one more. Okay, very good. This one. We go, Gabriel. Ay, again. Do it again. Okay, go. Open. Go. One more. Okay, here. Go. Okay, one more. Okay, go. One more. Open. Open. Jakey, open. Good. This one. Go. Wala, it's almost done. Open. Go. Oh, good. This one. Open. Go. Open again. Open. Okay. This is T for Teddy. What is this? Teddy. Teddy. Okay, one more. Oh, wow, you know how to cut. Wow. Okay, one more. Okay, go. Go, one more. Yay! Now let's paste this one. Okay, let's paste. Let's paste this one. We give that to teacher first. Okay, teacher will put this glue in here. Okay. Come on. Okay, this one. And in here. Okay, ready? Now let's paste this one. Here, sit down. Let's paste this one.
This one.
Oh, later. Okay, here. Let's paste this one. Help me. Help me. Okay, very good. Oh, look at the teddy. This is a teddy. Oh, the teddy will hug you. Oh, look at the teddy. Oh, the teddy will hug you. Look at the teddy. Okay, look at the picture first. Oh, where should we put that one? Huh? Where should... Oh, look at the picture. Where? This one first. The T. Oh, what's the sound of this one? T. Okay, where should we put that one? Oh, look at here. Oh. T. Oh, where should we put that?
Neck.
Neck. The ribbon first. Okay, go. Very good. Okay, don't touch that one. Okay. Give that to me. Okay, that's okay. Another one. Oh, that's okay. Don't touch that one. Okay. Oh, don't move that. Oh, that's okay. Another one. Oh, this one. That. Oh, where should we put that one? Look at here. Oh, Tommy. Very good. For Tommy. Okay, you put that one. Get that one. That's it. Oh, what's the sound of that one? Okay, put that one. Okay, what's the sound of that one? Oh, that's okay. You do it, babe. Oh, Gabriel, do it. Okay, again. Oh, that's okay. Okay, do it. Okay, please do it. T for Teddy. T for Teddy. Very good. Oh, what's the sound of this one? Very good.